Facelifts hurt almost none. Facelift should have very little pain. The head and neck perceives pain in a different way. And so facelift patients, if they're complaining of some pain more than just a little stinging back there, we suspect there's some bleeding or some problem. But as a rule, there's very little discomfort with facelift. So that's not something to, for people to worry about, because that's not bad. Facelift patients the next day are up and around. When I go see them at their house the next day, and they're letting me in and change the dressing, you know, get this bulky, fluffy thing, you know, off my head and let's get going, you know. So the recovery is very quick. We've also been using Arnica montana, which has reduced the bruising dramatically. 8 to 9 out of 10 patients I treat have the next day very, very little bruising on a facelift now with Arnica montana. That has been, the Egyptians used it in, back then, and they knew what they were doing. It really, really works. So we've used that a lot. And so for business people and people who are busy, it's helped their recovery dramatically. And so the bounce back is pretty fast. Within the first week, most people can be presentable to go out, you know, and to go to the store or drive in the car or go to church or something. But people, for nobody to know you had it at all, that you know relatives, it takes 2 to 3 weeks before it's really to that point. Without the bruising, I mean, the next day it really looks nice. There's a little swelling, but you can see, you know, a really pretty result right away. That's a nice thing about a facelift, is it's a clean before and after, you know. And it does look more natural without any swelling by the time you get out to 3 weeks. But for most people, you know, just to go into the public, it's pretty fast.